Welcome to our comparison of two popular compact dryers from Euhomy. Today, we will explore the Euhomy compact dryer and the Euhomy dryer, highlighting their unique features and helping you decide which one is the best fit for your laundry needs. We'll cover their capacities, power ratings, and drying modes to give you a comprehensive overview. When it comes to capacity, the Euhomy compact dryer offers 1.8 cubic feet, making it suitable for smaller loads, while the Euhomy dryer boasts a larger capacity of 3.52 cubic feet, allowing you to dry more clothes at once. This difference can be crucial for families or those with larger laundry needs. In terms of power, the Euhomy compact dryer operates at 1020 watts, while the Euhomy dryer has a higher power rating of 1500 watts. This means the Euhomy dryer can potentially dry clothes faster and more efficiently, making it a better option for those who need quick results. The Euhomy compact dryer offers a variety of drying modes, including Eco mode, while the Euhomy dryer features a sensor drying mode that automatically adjusts drying time based on moisture levels. This can enhance efficiency and help prevent over-drying, making it a smart choice for delicate fabrics. In conclusion, both the Euhomy compact dryer and the Euhomy dryer have their strengths. If you prioritize portability and have limited space, the compact dryer is an excellent choice. However, if you need a larger capacity and advanced features, the Euhomy dryer is worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.